Okay, we have here a Cisco SC300 52 port gigabit managed switch again. This one seems to be smaller than the last one I did. So let's take a look inside and see what's here. Screwdriver. It's got a smaller, it's got a number 1 on it instead of a number 2. Structure-wise, seems to be the same. Just a slightly smaller form factor. Faces again steel. Top cover. Yeah, smaller form factor, basically the same unit. We got some extruded aluminum here for the heat sinks. The same or similar components here that I tried to break apart last time. Don't know if you guys saw that because camera got knocked sideways. Only 2 fans on this one. Since it is, as I said, smaller. The other one had 3 fans. This one does not have that second board on top either. Power board is again small as well. I mean, this is the power board on this one. That was the other one. So, big difference. Extruded aluminum here, plate aluminum here for the heat sinks. Fewer MOSFETs, fewer toroids, fewer transformers, just a much smaller board. Backside, much fewer surface mount components. There are what looks like to be tantalum capacitors on here, but they're much smaller again. A few little chips. Nothing particular. We will still have gold plating on all the fingers and all these connectors. And then these guys are flat packs. There seems to be more of them. Again, we got a few gold banded crystal oscillators, 3 of them that I can see here. They're larger. Oh, there's a 4th one. So I'll get this too big. Big heat sinks off. Gold corner BGAs again. So all in all, just a smaller, more compact board. Yeah, they figured out a way of making basically the same thing with fewer components and less money. Still will be a decent board to take apart. We'll get the flat packs and the VGAs, crystal oscillators, and process the entire board later. Still, I don't know what's in these guys. Don't know if there's anything of value in them, so I'll have to look up the numbers and see what is there, if anything. So that's it for this one, it looks like. Just a little handful of extruded aluminum, and then the tiny bit of copper that we'll get off this power board, and the aluminum that we'll get off here as well. Well, there went something else over there. And then I need to get the switch out, or the plug out. There we go. So that can just go in the shred. And I think that's will be it for this one. Just not much to talk about on this one. Not much to find. That shows, just how I mean, the last one even had 2 wires that I had to cut off and toss in the pile, and this was 10 times longer, although it's low quality wire anyway. But they're just figuring ways to make it as small as possible. Oh, why'd I throw that there? That's got gold pins in it. I'll have to get that back out in a minute. Okay, so that'll be it for today. Have a good one.